So, we're doing another one of those practical outcome videos on this big ash tree behind me, but we got rained off the other day, and that's left us with a fair stack of chipping, ranging from kind of 2 to 3 inches on union pieces. We got some bigger bits coming as well, so we thought we'd give her a bit of a stress test, see what she can handle. Fresh cut, been lying here for about, I don't know, 2 days, so maybe dried out a touch, but she ain't gonna struggle, I don't think. There we go then, raining again. I am going to carry on, but never a good video when it's raining, is it? And you see much you can chomp. 4 inch it says. If you control the feed on that, I reckon it'd probably be pushing 6. Species dependent and all that jazz. So yeah, still impressed with it, still pushing it. This one versus the little FM6 tiny little pencil sharpener, this will definitely do your takedowns. Well impressed. So we'll be back on Monday to crack on with the climbing, cutting and all that jazz. So yeah, enjoy and I'll see you then.